How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make veins pop out of your forehead. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So this is the exact question I got from a subscriber. Normally, people ask like how to get rid of veins from your forehead, but this person wants to know how to make them pop out of your forehead. So there are things that we can do to help the veins pop out of your forehead. One negative way is actually to be super stressed out. The more stressed you are, the higher the chance your veins in your forehead could pop out. We don't want to do that though. So try to limit your stress. You guys don't get overly stressed just to get the veins in your forehead popping. First exercise that I'll do is to raise your eyebrows. Literally just raise your eyebrows like this. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. You'll notice, I think you can see it right here. You might have to do this exercise, but my veins in my forehead from doing this, they will start to pop and yours will too. This is a great exercise. It gets blood flowing to the forehead area and it will make your veins pop out more. So let's do it again. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perfect, you guys. So take a quick little break. Okay, what we're gonna do now is you wanna actually massage the area. This creates friction and this helps the veins to pop out. So just sit here and just rub back and forth and just keep going like this. Just rub the area for 20 seconds. Put an adequate amount of pressure to you guys. You don't just want to do it super lightly. You want to put a decent amount of pressure and just rub like this. Perfect. Take a quick little break. And again, what this does is this creates temperature, it creates blood flow, and it will help your veins to show more. Another quick tip that I'm going to give you is going for a warm shower. Not super, super hot, but just a warm shower, like a normal shower that you would go for. Just make sure it's warm. And what this happens is when you go for warm showers, your veins will pop out more. It's as simple as that. My veins get super vascular in the shower because it's warm, and what this causes is it causes your veins to pop more because of the temperature increase. So that's a great way. Again, I would do the eyebrow raises that I showed you. I would do the massaging and then I would go for a warm shower, about 10-15 minutes, and you're gonna notice the veins in your forehead will start to pop way more, guaranteed. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.